Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use an LCD display device with Arduino. And for this, we are going to use the Tinkercad simulation tool. So simply visit google.com and type tinkercad.com. The first option that you will get will be of tinkercad.com. Click there, log in. If you have already logged in, then go to designs, click on create and then circuits. You will be directed to your workspace where you need to create your circuit. This is the workspace where I'm going to create my circuit and write my code. First of all, I will change the project name to LCD display, as I'm going to use the LCD display in this particular program. Now, first of all, I need to search the component, and for that I need to use the Arduino. So I will find the Arduino. I will drag and drop the Arduino to my workspace. So I have dropped it here somewhere on my workspace. Now, the second component that I need to take is the LCD. When I will type LCD, I will get two different options of LCD. Like you can see here, LCD 16 cross 2 and LCD 16 cross 2 I2C. In this particular experiment, I'm going to explain you how to use LCD 16 cross 2 I2C, that is interconnected circuit. So I'm going to use this LCD I2C in this experiment. So I will click there and I will drop it somewhere on the workspace. Now, if you will see here, you will find there are only 4 pins available. The first pin is ground, that I need to connect with the ground of Arduino. The second is VCC, that is for the power requirement, and that I am going to connect with 5-volt power supply. The third one is SDA. This SDA is for data connection, and it is connected with A4 pin, that is the analog pin of your Arduino. And the last one is SCL, and that SCL is normally connected to A5 pin of the Arduino. So now let's start and do the connections. So ground pin, I will connect simply with the ground available at the top of the Arduino, like this. I have connected over here. The VCC pin, I will connect to the 5-volt power supply of Arduino, like this. Now let me change the color of the VCC to red. Then the third is the SDA, and as I explained earlier, SDA is going to be connected with the A4 pin of the Arduino. So I have connected over here with the A4 pin of Arduino. Let's change the color of this particular. Let it be blue. And the last, SCL, should be connected to A5 pin of the Arduino. So I'm going to connect this to A5 pin like this. The color I will keep as blue only. So I have made the circuit, and now I need to write the code for this particular circuit. And for that, I will visit the code section, and I will first of all delete the existing code. On start, I will keep as it is. Now I need to find some inbuilt code which is available to use this type of LCD, and under the output section only, if we will go down, you will find some option like configure, this one, the configure LCD 1 to I2C, something like that. I will use this particular and I will keep it as it is. There is no requirement to change anything over here. So it will configure my LCD with Arduino. It will call the device driver to use this LCD board with my Arduino. And then after, I need to print something on the LCD. And for that, here on the output section only, you will get print to LCD. So that option I will select, drag and drop. It will print simply hello world. If you want to change and you want to print something, you can use that. Like here I am using my display. So it is going to display my display. Okay, let's see how it works. So go to start simulation, click there, and it is going to display you my display. If you want to change this my display to something else, stop the simulation, go to the code and change the content whatever you want to display here. Like here I want to display my name Vishesh, so let me change and then start the simulation again. It will now display my name. In this way, we can display any particular content, whatever we want on this display device, that is 16 cross 2 LCD I2C display. I hope you might have understood the connection and the program. If you like this video, give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.